like a Hellcat.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today we are going to the junkyard. We're gonna be looking for parts for the Hyundai Veloster that we got scammed on. We're gonna be seeing two different cars, but we gotta drive like about 2.5 hours. So we got up super early. It's right now 7 o'clock, and we've been driving for a little over an hour. So we'll see you guys when we get to the junkyard. All right, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Okay, Q, looking for road 29. It says that they have a Hyundai Veloster here, color black. And by the way, I see everything here. Looks like we're not even gonna find anything. Everything that we need is already pretty much gone. I can almost guarantee it. It's raining, by the way. And let's see, what the hell? We're almost there. 27, 2 more rows, and we should be there. This will be on the left hand side. 29, right here. I think I already see it. Yeah. I think it's this one here. Yeah, that's the one. So pretty much everything that we need. Suspension. Pretty much everything is gone. There's nothing left on this one. Sucks because I came 2 hours away for this. Well, at least we got the airbag, but they won't sell us the airbag. All the airbags are here. Oh well, let's go to a different place. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a quick wash because it's really dirty, and then we'll go from there.
bound only by frozen memories.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today I got a tip that there is a 2012 Hyundai Veloster Blue with no damage to the front. So we're gonna go see it right away before it sells. The auction is pretty soon. But check out this beautiful sunrise, man. I don't know if you guys can see it on the phone, or the phone can't even pick it up, but it's amazing. Anyway, let's not waste any time. Right now it's 6:27 a.m. We still got about an hour and a half to go, so let's not waste any time and let's go. All right, guys, this is why we came. 2012 Hyundai Veloster Blue, 90,000 miles, with a slight damage to the rear. Looks like it. It's all right because we don't care anything about this. We only care about the front, interior, airbags, all the good stuff. It's a 4-door just like ours, so everything should fit exactly the same. This one has the roof all the way to the back. Let's check this bad boy right here. We do have keys, so we're gonna start this bad boy right now. It's the same engine. Let's check the oil. It does have a little bit, not a lot, but it does have a little bit. Water. Let's see if it has any coolant. It does have coolant. Okay. So let's hook up the booster pack and see if it starts. Remember, always red to red and black to black. All right, flip the switch. We now got power. Let's go inside. Okay. Oh. Looks like a midget was sitting on this seat. All right, where's the push start? There you go.